I'm also really excited about TV shows, as you can see, and because TV affects more people, because more people are exposed to it. And so I like to think about who are the women in television and what stories are they putting out there. This is our modern literature in many ways. And these ladies, Jane Espenson and Marti Noxon, were pivotal to a show that took horror and used it to flip all the gender stereotypes it could possibly flip in one one-hour program. And that program is Buffy the Vampire Slayer, right? So we generally attribute the show to Joss Whedon, and that is true, and that is fine, and he did write the pilot, and he did show run and manage the show. We have since come to find that he was a Me Too kind of guy, and we don't need to talk about him that much anymore. So then the question is, how could the show have been so feminist with that mind behind it? Well, turns out these ladies were on staff. And I believe when you look at the episodes they wrote, it was the soul of Marti Noxon and Jane Espenson, which gave us the true stories that last in the Buffy realm.